Hello, I'm Mr. Smith and welcome to How to Play Ed Sheeran's Perfect on Ukulele Lesson 1. Here we're going to look at the chords. There's 4 chords in the song, classic chords, a classic chord sequence, which are G, E minor, C and D. G and C we've already learned, so hopefully you know those. We'll look at them again, but and E minor and D will be new. A G is first finger, second fret of the second string, second finger, second fret of the fourth string, and third finger, third fret of the third string. So that shape, if you can see that, like here, is a G chord. A C chord is a third finger on the third fret of the fourth string, bottom string. That's a C chord. The D is a little bit more tricky. We need 3 fingers and we put all 3 of them in the second fret. So starting on the third string, that's where you put your third finger on the third string. This is in the second fret. Second finger goes next to it on the second fret of the second string, and your first finger goes on the top string, the first string in the second fret. That's all 3. And that's a D chord. So that's more tricky. That will take a bit of practice. And the E minor, again we need 3 fingers. Start in the second fret on the fourth string with your first finger. Second finger, third fret on the third string, and the third finger in the fourth fret. We're entering to the fourth fret now of the second string. So that's the shape you've got there. It's 1, 2, 3, which is that one here. So it's 1, first finger, second finger, third finger. First finger is the second fret of the fourth string. Second finger is the third fret of the third string. And the third finger is in the fourth fret of the second string. So that's E minor. So these are chords you will need to practice, but I'm sure you will get them. And once you've got them, like I say, these 4 chords play loads of songs. Is a classic chord sequence. So just to remind again, we've got G, we've got E minor. That's the sequence in the song. So G, E minor, and C, and then D. So that's the sequence of most of the song. So G, E minor, C, and D. G, E minor, C, and D. That's the sequence. That's what will take a bit of practice. Practice the chords individually. Post your videos if you want to. jambusmusic@gmail.com. And in the next video we'll look at the structure of the song. Thank you very much. See you next time.